Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the video. And I'm sorry that I haven't made one in a while. I literally have walking pneumonia. I'm on a bunch of antibiotics and other stuff, so I haven't been really feeling too good. And every certain amount of words, get a little short of breath, and then I got a cough. So it's kind of tough. Powered through work and all that, and I still made trades, just I couldn't make videos on it because every time I sat down to make a video I would just start coughing, so I felt really bad that if I was going to put out a video of just me coughing. But I feel a little bit better now that I'm on a bunch of antibiotics and some cough medication. So this is what I did, and I've been posting it on the free Discord that I've partnered up with one of my friends named John to do. So instead of going to my paid Discord, you could actually go to the free one through Clockout Capital, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can see all our trades there. I go over a lot of wheel strategy. He goes over a lot of like put credit spreads and all the stuff that way. Both of us have an affinity towards selling options for premium, and that's where we clicked. That's where we feel like this is like a very safe way for people to make a lot of money, make somewhat passive income, while also learning how to manage their portfolios. And like, we don't, like, he buys a little bit of options, I buy leaps, but the way we teach it is the safest way possible, because when you think about, for me, when I think about buying options, I feel like that's gambling. But if we're doing it within a certain strategy, you can make a good amount of money, protect your downside, and just be ready to win and take money off the table. So that's what I like to teach. That's what he likes to teach, and that's where we get along really well. And that's why we decided to partner with each other on it. So I'm going to show you it really quick right here. So this is the Discord under Clockout Capital. Got Brian trades, John trades, and we got like a trade floor. We answer questions and any chart requests if people wanted to show us what we're looking at. And we just go over everything. So this is like my portfolio update that I'm showing right up here. Is that I have my leap still that I opened a few months ago. Apple 115 call for 12/9/2025. So still got a little over a year left. Palantir call, $10 at 1/16/2026. So over a year, a little less than a year left. Palantir 35 call, 9/19/20. Oh, that's supposed to be 2025. Excuse me. I think it's like 2026. Yeah, 2026. Just checked my phone. Save. And a SPY 530 call for 12/19/2025. SoFi call times 2 at a $2 strike price. So all of these are pretty much printing right now because everything has gone up. I'm pretty sure my Apple's at like 80 or 90%. Palantir's almost at 200%. SPY has been up and down since the S&P has been fluctuating. But then I got my covered calls and cash secured puts right here. So like I said, I have a few hundred shares of Tesla, and I'm only using 200 of them to do my covered calls. But let's go with the Palantir put. That's for another week out, another 2 more weeks. So 69 put, 27.25. Tesla 420, a covered call. 131.25, and a 425 covered call, 131.25. And for the people that watched one of my previous videos, I said I'm rolling up because my original strike price was 410, so I rolled up because it went up to like 420s, and I wanted to capture that appreciation. And in doing so, I still got paid a few $100 for it. And now that the Tesla strike price, I think the Tesla price went down to like what, 407 or 411 right now. It's working a lot in my favor because now I don't have to worry about selling my shares if I had to. If anything, if I feel like it, since it ends this week, I could actually roll down this week to a lower strike price again and get paid for it if I wanted to sell my shares. Like I could roll down to, let me just look up my Google really quick here. I could look it up. What's Tesla's strike price? When Tesla's price right now? See, my brain's not even working still. Tesla stock price 406. So what I could do Not Nvidia, Tesla stock options. What I could do right here, right? So it's expiring this week. What I could do is, since I'm at 420 and 425, I could technically go to do like a sell, a call, because that's where I have the 100 shares, right? I could sell a call and I would have to roll it. So I'd have to buy my 420 and I'd roll it down. So I'd have to buy it for, let's just see what it would be. Buy call for 420, 1360. And then I'd sell a call for something lower. So I could make like 200 extra bucks if I went to like 415, or 300 extra bucks if I went to 412.5. I could roll down for the same expiration date and make another extra few $100 for the week if I decided to do that, which isn't a bad idea too, if I'm cool with selling my 100 shares. So like, see, I have 425 and 420. I could roll down closer to the actual stock price and the market would actually pay me. So for the same play, I already rolled out 1 week and I got paid a few $100 for that. And then I could also, since the stock price went down, I could actually roll down and get paid another few $100, which is another way that you're just constantly making money off potentially the same play, off the same 100 shares that you have for collateral. And that's what I love to teach on this. And then obviously I could go to my SoFi 14 put. It's been hitting and missing. Not really. It's fine. It dropped down to below 14 for a little bit, but then it rose back up to like 17. So I also had SoFi. I had like 3 or 4 contracts for SoFi 15 puts that expired last week, which is phenomenal because I thought I was going to have to buy 300 or 400 shares, which I wouldn't have minded doing. But instead, now I just got all the cash back in buying power to do it again, you know? So I love doing that. I have a Riot 12.5 put for 135 for 131, so this week, and then I have a Mara 21 call for March 21, 2025. This one is kind of weird because I had a bunch of Mara shares, and it's like the only way I was able to roll and make money was to put it out this far, because my cost basis for this was actually like kind of a losing trade. Is like at 25 or 26 bucks, which is fine because I probably made all my money back throughout the cover calls and cash security puts that I've done. But it's okay. It's whatever. That's the point of playing the game. And then for Monday, this Monday that's coming up tomorrow, my buying power for Monday is $41,000 in cash and around like 67.5K of margin. So it matters on how I want to play. That's a lot of money to be playing with. And this is because I let my Coinbase covered call get assigned, and I let my 100 shares of Coinbase go at 265, even though it went close to 300. So I missed out on a few $1,000 of appreciation, but it was above my cost basis anyway, and I didn't want to roll out any further. So I really wanted cash heavy because I want to see what Nvda is going to do because earnings is coming up, and then I'll put my money either there or back into Coinbase or Palantir, and that's pretty much what I just plan on doing, because the whole point of me doing the wheel strategy is to make as much money as possible, right? And being cash heavy and all that gives me the opportunity to go into stocks. Like, say if another earnings report for Nvidia is business as usual, and then the stock drops for no reason, just because everyone expects something huge from them and expects like it to just skyrocket. Like it would give me an opportunity to buy at a lower price, and then I could start doing cover calls and capture the appreciation as it goes back up to its normal levels, you know? So that's what I like about the cash secured puts cover calls, the wheel strategy, and it's just the best way possible, in my opinion, to safely make passive income. Whether you're doing weeklies, monthlies, you get to choose almost everything that is being done for that option. You get to choose the expiration date, you get to choose the price, you get to choose the delta. The only thing you don't have control over is the market sentiment, what's going to happen in the market. So as long as you're doing your research and your fundamentals and you're paying attention, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to make money, whether it's $5 a week or $1,000 a week, like, or thousands of dollars a week. So, you know, it's small gains, but small to big gains, but it's gains nonetheless. So thanks for watching. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is exactly what I'm just doing on my portfolio. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you very soon. Hopefully I'll be feeling better by then. Peace.